Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the NCERT textbook exercises and solutions from the chapter Electricity of grade 10. We have discussed till question number 13 in the previous videos. If you have not watched till part 6, please watch it before going ahead with part 7. Now we can move to question number 14. The question is, compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First question is a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. And second question, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Now we can consider the first question. In the first question, the given quantities are potential difference V equal to 6 volt and the two resistors, that is 1 ohm and 2 ohms, are connected in series. So if they are connected in series, we have the equivalent resistance as R is equal to R1 plus R2. So here we can find the resistance as R is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 ohm. From Ohm's law, we have V is equal to IR. Therefore, we can calculate the value of current. How we can calculate that means I will be equal to V by R. Then we can substitute the values of V and R. That is, I will be equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2 amperes. In the case of series circuit, there is no division of current. Therefore, this current, that is 2 ampere, will flow through each component of the circuit. Hence, the current flowing through 2 ohm resistor is 2 ampere. Also, we have the equation to find the power as P is equal to I square R. Here we can substitute the values of I and R. Then we will get P is equal to 2 square into 2. That will be equal to 8 watt. Now we can move to the second part of the question. Here the quantities given are potential difference V equal to 4 volt and there are 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors which are connected in parallel. In the case of parallel connection, the voltage of the circuit remains the same. Hence, the voltage across 2 ohm resistor will be the same voltage itself, that is 4 volt. Now we have to calculate the power consumed by the 2 ohm resistor. We have the equation P is equal to V square by R. We can substitute the values of V and R, that is V square by R is equal to 4 square by 2. So that value is found to be 8 watt. Therefore, the power used by 2 ohm resistor is 8 watt. Now we can move to question number 15. The question is, 2 lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to the electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if supply voltage is 220 volt? Here the 2 lamps are connected in parallel to the electric mains and here we have to calculate the current drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. Here both the bulbs are connected in parallel and we know that in the case of parallel connection there will be no division of voltage. So the potential difference across each of them will be 220 volt. Here the current drawn by the bulb of rating 100 watt is, that is power is equal to voltage into current. So from this equation we can find the value of current. Current will be equal to power divided by voltage. Then we can substitute the values, that is power is 60 and voltage is 220. So the current will be equal to 60 divided by 220. Hence the current drawn from the line will be equal to 100 by 220 plus 60 by 220. That is equal to 0.727 amperes. Hope it is clear to you. Now we can move to question number 16. The question is, which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Here we have to calculate the energy consumed by the TV set and toaster. The energy consumed by the electrical appliance is given by the expression H is equal to P into T, where P is the power of the appliance and T is the time. And the energy consumed by a TV set of power 250 watt in 1 hour we can calculate as H is equal to P into T. Here P is 250 and time is 1 hour. So that 1 hour we can convert into seconds. That is 1 hour is 30 minutes into 30 seconds. So that will be 3600. When we multiply that 250 with 3600 we will get 9 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Now we have to calculate the energy consumed by a toaster of power 1200 watts in 10 minutes. So that 10 minutes again we have to convert into seconds. So 10 into 60, that will be 600 seconds. Then the energy consumed will be equal to power into time. So that 1200 into 600. So that will be equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Therefore, the energy consumed by a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour is more than the energy consumed by a toaster of power 1200 watt in 10 minutes. Hope it is clear to you. Today we can conclude here. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.